I'm Ray, welcome to the channel, and if you are in the military or looking to join the military and are wondering about tuition assistance and how that all works, you've come to the right place. I've been in the Coast Guard for 3 years now, and I'm just now using the tuition assistance. And the reason being is because I was on a cutter and we went underway a lot, and I felt that it was too much going on to really concentrate on doing college class, especially with the connectivity being as horrible as it was. Now I'm done going underway and I'm taking a class this September. After you join, you can start using TA. So it's actually very simple to use. You pick a college, sign up for that college, get accepted, send them your joint military transcripts from the education portal. You know all about that once you're in. Once they get all that, you register for the class you want. You get your degree plan and you know all the classes that you'll need first of all, and they'll set this all up for you. And then you pick the class and you sign up for it. Now the next step is where it starts getting a little bit more complicated, because you need to route it up your chain of command. You need permission from the commanding officer of your unit. You talk to your ESO and he will hook you up with all the necessary papers, and you just sign them and get the signatures that you need, and you just take these papers, put them in a folder, routing slip, and just send it up your chain of command, and they'll just pass that on up, and eventually it'll get back to you all signed and ready to go. Alright, stick with me here, we're almost through. Once you get those signed and you have them back in your possession, you put them on the education portal that you have permission, and then you apply for the actual tuition assistance. You fill that out and then you send it to your ESO, and then he approves it and sends it to the higher authority who okays it and looks over it. And once they say it's good, they send you a tuition assistance voucher. And that's basically like a money slip that you send to the school that pays for $250 per credited hour. So there's a few catches. If you score lower than a C for any undergraduate courses, then you have to pay it back. If you score lower than a B for graduate classes, you also have to pay that back. The degree plan that you work out with your school has to be signed and routed up no later than 14 days than the start of the course. That is just the very simplified summary of how TA works. If you found this helpful or useful, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.